Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add an account or to your phone. It can be maybe a Gmail account if you're trying to add your Gmail to your phone and you don't know how. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that. But before we get started, I just want to ask you that if this is your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, you have your phone open up right here. So just click on your settings. If you don't have your setting app, try to find your setting and go to your setting. So settings, and then this settings will open up, right? So I want you to scroll down until to user and accounts right here. So click on user and accounts right there, and now these are all the accounts that I have on my phone at the moment. So if you don't have any, so this will probably be empty, right? So just scroll down and come to add account right there. Click on that, and then in this we're just going to be adding our Gmail. So click on Google, right? And then he should go out there checking for information right there. So this should open up. Now enter your Gmail. So just going to enter mine right here. So then once you're done, click on next. Now you can enter your password. So once you are done entering your password, just click on next. Now you have that, so just agree, and then as you can see you have that. So this is the account, our Kandowa account that we just added. So you added your Gmail right there. So if you want to find it, go to your account, just click on find it, go to find your Gmail app, and then open that. Right, so find your account, and then this is the account. This is Kandowa. So this is my Kandowa right there. That's the Gmail right there. So that's there. You added your Gmail account to your phone right there. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. And if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next tutorial. I'm out.